Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this video, we will share 5 expert tips on how to get followers on Twitch. So let's get started. First, run a Twitch giveaway contest. One of the easiest way to attract more viewers and followers on Twitch is to run a giveaway contest. Everyone loves a giveaway and they can easily make your brand go viral. Keep to a regular streaming schedule. One of the main things to remember when learning how to get more followers on Twitch is consistency is key. Get creative with your stream titles. It's easy to overlook something as simple as what you name your streams, but that details is crucial to helping people find your broadcast. Create an attractive Twitch layout. Given how competitive Twitch streaming is, you will need to find ways to make your stand out from the competition. One way you can do that is to make your layout eye-catching and attractive. Add Twitch follow buttons on your site. If your website visitors can't find your Twitch account easily, they probably won't visit and subscribe to your channel. So it makes sense to make it easy to follow you on Twitch from your website. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.